Hey guys, it's Tim with HIDEAWAY. We are now 1 year into manufacturing our new HIDEAWAY TitanCover Pergola. Let me tell you about what makes it unique. All right, first step, we've got the genius at work here. We're gonna design your pergola for your home. What's nice about this, you can see the jut out around the house, things that are added, things like heaters, fans, the automated louver. This is all done custom to your liking. So what starts with the design idea very quickly gets transformed into a 3D rendering, a full package for your approval. Before we manufacture anything, we do want to make sure that you're 100% happy with what you're getting. From the time of design approval, we start the manufacturing process. As you can see, we stock a ton of raw material to put together your custom pergola. During the manufacturing process, we dry fit each and every system, make sure there's no kinks, we work out all the bugs, the louvers open and close the right way before getting it to powder coating. Manufacturing of posts and beams are done on our Trump True Laser Tube 7000. You can see beams being cut right now for an upcoming pergola. All your holes are tapped. Essentially, we want you to pull this out of the crate so you can bolt everything right back together. No cutting required on site. After powder coating, everything gets packaged, labeled, and hits the road. From east to west, you should pergola with the best. If you've got a custom request, get it off your chest. Reach out to HIDEAWAY. We're ready to help you out.